welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, bienvenido a casa de mafarifi. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some protein brownies, because lately I have been craving something sweet, but I've been going to the gym and I've been losing my weight. I've lost 36 pounds so far. Yay me. But I was looking on TikTok trying to find recipes or whatever. If I can find her link again, I'm going to link it down below. But I had wrote down the recipes because, you know, I have no idea if TikTok's going away or not. So I've just been screenshotting and writing everything down. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys today how I'm going to make some protein brownies. So if you're craving something sweet, you can eat that. You can eat for breakfast or whatever. And today's video, luckily, is going to be in collaboration with Protein World. Okay, so this is the protein I'm going to be using today. As you guys already know if you watched my previous video with my collaboration with Protein World, my favorite flavor is the milk chocolate one. So in this time I got whey protein powder, the whey protein isolate powder. It's 164 calories, low sugar, and contains BCAAs, and it just tastes so delicious. I love it. So when I saw it, I was like, I have the perfect protein powder that's going to make those brownies taste like it's not a healthy brownie. It's going to taste like a regular real brownie. But anyways, without further ado, on to the ingredients. Also, don't mind me. I just came from the gym. Yes, I look busted. I do not go to the gym looking cute. I find the biggest shirt that I have in my closet, put it on, and then I wear like some biker shorts with it. I don't really care to be cute at the gym because I'm going to be sweaty and sticky anyways. Anyways, okay, so I went to Walmart last night and I got these little loaf pans to use. I don't have any of those glass Tupperwares that I can put in the oven, so I just went and bought one of these. That's good. I'm definitely just gonna go on Amazon and buy some of them glass ones, but however this would do, or whatever you have will do. So the first ingredient you need, the first ingredient that you're going to use is oat flour. And it's okay if you don't have oat flour at home, it's fine. If you have any oats, you can simply just put it in the blender and blend it. That's all I did, because buying oat flour and having oats at home, it just doesn't make sense to pay for oat flour, which is probably like $7 to $8. Groceries is getting expensive, y'all, and I'm not here for it. Anyways, so first ingredient is going to be oat flour, and you're going to use a 1/3 cup of oat flour. I've already got it blended up. So 1/3 cup of oat flour. Crazy because the rest of this was literally 1/3 cup of oat flour. 1/3 cup of oat flour. The next ingredient is going to be the cacao powder. I got Hershey's unsweetened 100% cacao powder. And it's going to be 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, and the next ingredient you're going to need is baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon. Put that in there. And then the last ingredient that you're going to need, well, not the last ingredient, the last dry ingredient that you're going to need is your protein powder. So, and also if you guys want to taste this same flavor or use this brand, I will have a discount code below which gives you 40% off. I'll leave it in the description below. So if you're going to buy some Protein World, make sure to use my link so you can get your discount. So, and you really just, you need whatever the equivalent is, 1 scoop for your protein powder. So for Protein World, you get this little scoop, but this little scoop to equal 1 scoop is 4 scoops of this. So I'm gonna take 4 scoops, but I know some other protein powders just have 1 big scoop and you just do 1 scoop and that's 1 serving. But for this one, you're gonna need 4 scoops to do 1 serving. I think that was 4, I wasn't counting. Shoot. I think this is 4 now. Yeah, we're gonna say this is number 4. I wasn't counting. Dang it. Make sure you're counting. Okay, so Ingredient that you're going to need is milk. A half a cup of milk. My choice is going to be the original silk oat milk. I'm not too fond of almond milk. I think it's disgusting, but if that's what you like, use whatever milk. It doesn't even have to be a plant-based milk. If you want to use cow titty milk, go ahead and use cow titty milk. That is perfectly fine. So whatever milk that you have in your fridge will work, and it's going to be a half cup of milk. We're just gonna stir everything up until you get like a brownie consistency. So after you mix all the ingredients up, it's gonna look like this, and this is the consistency that we are looking for. So after that, I also forgot that we're gonna add a teaspoon of chocolate chips. I am using 72% cacao dark chocolate chips, and we just need 1 tablespoon of it. And this one, each serving is 80 calories, which is about 22 chips, but after you're just doing a tablespoon, it's going to be less than that because 22 chips is not going to fit in this 1 tablespoon. So you're really probably getting about like half of what are 80 calories. Yes, because this is a tablespoon that's definitely not 22 chips. So let me count. Let's see how many chips is it. 1, 3. It's 17 chips, so it's a little bit less than 80 calories. So we're just gonna put them on top, or you can mix them in. Doesn't really matter. So after it is all mixed, you just put the chocolate chips right there on top. You're gonna stick it in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Okay, and this is what it's looking like. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. It smells so good. It smells like a legit regular brownie. I can't wait to taste it. I'm waiting to show you guys so we could try it together, and then you can get my natural facial expressions and everything else when I try it. It just, it smells so good. I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring y'all back so we can try it. I'm back. Yes, I've changed. I've showered and taken off my sweaty gym clothes, and now I'm gonna try the brownie. It did sink in. It was not done all the way in the middle, so definitely do 20 minutes, not 15 minutes at 350. But now I'm going to try this. Yeah, it smells so good. Okay. Yeah. This, hold on. This is good. It tastes like a regular brownie. It doesn't even taste like it's a healthy brownie. It tastes so good. And honestly, since the protein powder really tastes like chocolate, this tastes like a legit chocolate brownie. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. It's nice and it's moist. So good. Yeah. Try this. Try this, and when you try it, let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. Because this is good. And it's only a few ingredients. It was protein powder, baking powder, oats, cacao powder, and some chocolate chips. And milk. So like 6 ingredients. This is delicious. I cannot. This is so freaking good. Y'all have got to try it. And I'm not hyping it up. Just know I love my protein. It tastes just like chocolate. And I want y'all to really try it. And let me know what y'all think in the comments. It's so good. With a nice glass of milk. Just try it. Trust me. Trust me. It is good. It is delicious. I'm so glad that I made this. And then you can eat this for breakfast too, if you wanted, or like a dessert. The fact that it's healthy and you can eat it whenever, it's mind-boggling to me. It tastes just like a brownie. Y'all definitely just try it. Trust me, just try it.
Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!
That is going to be it for this video. I just wanted to I just wanted to bring y'all this video so y'all can have other healthy ways to enjoy dessert. You don't necessarily need to eat regular brownies with all the hundreds of calories and everything else in it that you don't need if you try to meet your fitness goals. There's always an alternative for something that you're craving. But anyways, make sure you guys like and subscribe and share this video and give me your thoughts in the comments. And also, I'm going to make sure to leave the discount code below in the description box so you guys can get your 40% off and use my code. So yeah, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Bye.